you all been waiting for. Cooking with Jada. Cooking with... No, I'm kidding. This is not. Don't mind this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Jada Lynn, if you don't already know me. Today we're going to be making creamy Cajun salmon, and we're gonna be doing some skincare face mask. Got this motherfucking Atlantic salmon. I'm gonna just take out all the ingredients. You know, our Atlantic salmon, our broccoli, our rice. This is the rice we're using. We're using our Cajun seasoning, our Old Bay, the basics, pepper, salt. You remind me I'm in I like to have all my stuff like organized, like seasonings right here, the shit that I'm gonna cut out. It's disgusting. I love to cook. Damn. Now what? My rice is cooking right now, so I'm gonna be doing a face mask in the meantime. Wash your face before putting on a face mask. I like to let my face air dry for a little bit.
When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm bleeding on my knees. It's your touch that I need.
Okay, update. The food's ready and my mask is dry. Should maybe take it off. OMG, I can't even take it off right now, but can we just like nah. Like, I didn't have to shit on them, but I just did. Anyways, I'ma eat.
When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me?